Today's episode, we will be shaking up some margaritas. We will be using our infused spirits here. So that way this can become your own unique drink with very little work. Let's get at it. So on our previous episode, I had infused some tequila with poblano peppers, cilantro, black pepper. Now we have some very simple ingredients that you can get from basically anywhere. We have lime, so we're making a double margarita here. Also, I have a sugar syrup. This is 50% sugar, 50% water. You use white sugar, cane sugar, whatever sugar that you prefer. If you want to make a Skinny Girl Margarita, you can supplement that with maple syrup, honey. Just make sure you mix those things with the alcohol at room temperature without any other ingredients first. Just dilute it and then add everything together. Otherwise, it'll be a nightmare. That's another topic for another day, though. Stay tuned for that episode. So we have a shaker here. You can go ahead and use your protein shaker, your coffee mug, salt, and then we have our drinking vessel. I like to do things in wine glasses because that's what I have. If you don't have a wine glass, you can always just go ahead and pour your drink in your hand. You know, whatever tickles your fancy, you just drink it straight out of. First, we will be adding our tequila. We're going to go ahead and do 3 ounces. 1, 2, 3. 1 whole lime. I like to throw the lime in there because the rind does add a wonderful flavor to it. Gotta squeeze it out a little bit more. 1 ounce of sugar syrup. Ahead and made these big chunks of ice. If you guys want to learn how to do that, I'll go ahead and leave the video in the end so you can go ahead and learn how to make some cheap, easy, homemade ice. Now we're going to go ahead and put some salt around the rim of the glass. Lime wedge. Just go ahead and rim it around the glass like so. Just dip it right in. All right, here we go. It's time to get shaking. Now, if you want to get all fancy and garnish this with some jalapenos or some sprinkled cilantro. Look at that beautiful cocktail. Yummy, yummy. I will go ahead and garnish this with some lime wheels. I pop that in there. One for the YouTube. Another one there, and voila. Thank you everyone for joining me to learn how to make this wonderful, delicious cocktail. If you want to learn how to make the infused tequila, the video is going to be right up here. If you want to learn how to make that easy, cheap, and simple ice, the video will be right up here. Until next time, if you have any comments or concerns, go ahead, leave them down below. If you dislike this video, make sure you hit that dislike button twice. Until next time, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, everybody.